export data from DocuClipper to QuickBooks Desktop, you'll need to categorize. From here, you'll need to select a category group. The default category group that's built into DocuClipper has lots of categories that automatically categorize your spending. But if you're using QuickBooks Desktop, you'll most likely need to set up a new category group with new categories that are linked to vendors as keywords. This should match what you set up in QuickBooks Desktop for your income account or bank account. And as we scroll down, we can see expense accounts. These are some sample expense accounts I've created for this demonstration. And as you can see, all of the categories match exactly what I've named the expense accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. And they must match character for character, word for word, in order for the data to flow through. So now we've categorized, and you can see that all of these transactions have been categorized into the expense categories we've created in QuickBooks Desktop. So let's go ahead and download our data. We're going to download this into QuickBooks IIF Format. It should be noted that if you're using QuickBooks Online, or if you have the most current version of QuickBooks Desktop and it's connected to your Intuit account, you can also use QBO to export. But we're focusing on IIF for this demonstration. You want to make sure that you have all of your documents and bank statements selected. Then you want to name your source account, and this must match what you have set up in QuickBooks Desktop. Then you have two options. To use category as destination account, this will split your transactions into your expense accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. Or if you're just trying to track the money movement between one account and another, you can name the destination account specifically. But this is the option we're focusing on right now. So we've downloaded that file. We're going to go back into QuickBooks Desktop. And to import, we go to File, Utilities, Import, and IIF Files. You'll receive a message saying that all windows must be closed. Just click OK and import IIF. It will take a moment for this to import. Now the import is complete, we go back to the chart of accounts. We start by opening up the Cadence Bank account that we extracted all of the data from. And you can see that all those new transactions, all those credits and debits are now found in this bank account. Then we go back to the list of chart accounts and we scroll down to our expense accounts. And you can see all the transactions that we categorized are now sitting nicely inside of this expense account.